So Spartans, I'm Dominic, and today we're gonna have our first ever virtual assembly. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. We have some fun things planned for you guys. We have some games, some teacher appearances, and then some other cool videos we put in for you guys to enjoy. It's gonna be short and sweet, so we don't keep you here for too long. And I'm gonna let my partner Nadia explain what's next.
Alright, so now that you guys have heard what this assembly is basically all about, I just wanted to let you guys know that we hope you guys are taking the right precautionary measures during social distancing to make sure that you and everyone else around you are staying safe. Speaking of which, we have a quick commercial from our health department.
Hey Spartans, it's your nurse Christina here, giving you some helpful tips to keep you and your family safe during COVID. 1. Always wear your mask when you're out in public. 2. Wash your hands throughout the day. It's okay to use hand sanitizer, but it's always better to use soap and water. 3. Social distancing. If you have to be out in public with your mask on, make sure that there's 6 feet between you and the person next to you. Bye Spartans, stay safe and stay healthy.
What's up Spartans? Make sure that you guys represent for Red Ribbon Week. I'm here to share the harmful effects of drugs for you guys. I'm going to start off with there's mental illness, there's suicide and homicide, death by overdose, brain damage, imprisonment, family issues, which is always bad for the children because they're our future. There's diseases like STDs, HIV, hepatitis, health issues, tooth decay, and people on drugs, they're not responsible enough to keep work, so end up in the streets poor. Being drug-free is your best shot at becoming successful depending on the goals you set in life because you're clear-minded. Trust that. Thank you guys for your time and wish you all the best of luck.
Big thanks to the health department for putting together that commercial. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've been playing this new game, which you've probably heard of. It's called Among Us. And I showed Nadia the game, and she's really taking it serious. Nadia?
Anyways, don't you guys love playing Among Us? Because I know that I'm pretty hooked. Coming up next, we're going to have Sparty playing Among Us. Sounds a little sus, but keep on watching. right back after a quick word from our sponsors.
Cause something came in the mail today.
And you don't wanna fight with us.
Fishing pole, grill it in. Word, hold on. It's me and my friends.
Go, bud.
Word, you know what I'm saying? Walk in, walk out, let's go. Word. Hey, walk it out, walk it out. Word, yeah. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Word, yeah.
I've been on my rock stars. Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get
Flash. Yeah. Now that you know how my eyes be, I'm rocking.
Your heart don't stand a chance.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Stranger.
Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down?
And we're back. And just a quick reminder to all of our students that we really miss you guys and we miss seeing everyone out on campus.
I agree with Nadia. I really miss being back at school. Sometimes I like to think of all the good times we've had and all the good memories we've made throughout the years. We made a little video just to remind you of all the good times we're going to have once we're back at school. And if you're a freshman, well then this is a taste of what high school is going to be like and how much fun it's going to be for you.
One bad bitch, she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, now the blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to shorts. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more, pull up, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming straight. One bad bitch, she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, now the blueberry fango. 1 false move and we straight to shorts. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more, pull up, that's how it goes. Big bands, I'm coming. I'm on my, yeah. We some rock stars and I'm on my, yeah.
Stick around, Spartans. Coming up in a little bit is our game show and our student versus teacher Halloween costume showcase. Until then, here are a few commercials we have for you guys.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange?
Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. Trick
and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
Hey, those are some pretty sick costumes. If you guys want to know who won, go check out our Instagram page where we're going to post all the winners. Without further ado, we have one more thing for you guys before we let you go.
Spartans, I miss you very, very much. Please stay safe and take care of your loved ones. See you soon.
Hi, Central Spartans. You are missed.
Hey, what's up, Central? This is Coach Wise here. I hope you guys are all being safe out there, and I'm looking forward to having you guys all back on campus really soon. Go Spartans.
We miss you, Spartans.
We miss you, Spartans.
Hey, Central. We just wanted to let you know that we miss all of you Spartans, and we look forward to seeing you soon. So please stay safe and Spartan strong.
Alright, Spartans, so that's going to wrap up our virtual assembly. I just want to give a quick thanks to all the teachers and students who participated, and I also want to give a quick thanks to our principal, Mr. Lyon. It really means a lot to us, and now I'm going to let my partner Dom say a few words.
Hey Spartans, I just want to say thank you guys for watching our entire assembly video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And on a serious note, I know things might be tough right now, but I just want to let you know to hang in there. Things are going to get better soon. If you have any questions or you need someone to talk to, you can reach out to any ASB member and we'll be glad to help. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good Halloween. Deuces.